In the previous video we took the tank off. Now it's time for some new mirrors and we're gonna place the gear indicator in a little bit different spot so that it looks nicer. Let's go! So here we have the stock mirrors. See, they're pointing out. I don't like them, so we're gonna change that. So I bought two new mirrors, the High-Sider, let's see, the High-Sider Victory Evo. I think they look nice and they match the bike. So that's one. I already got the other one out of the package just to check how it looks. So let's go install it. Left hand side, we need to use a 6mm hex and it's normal thread on this side, so just lefty loosey, don't forget. And now it's off, and with the Monster 1200 this should be on it or should be attached, so you have to fill it up. So I made my own screws. They are from plastic. But they're from really tough material, ASA. So that's good stuff. I molded them quickly in Fusion. So that's on there. It's not going anywhere. Let's remove the other one. This one is a bit different. It's righty loosey. Yes, it's the other way around with the threads. So that's off. And put the new one in, the one that I printed, but you have to do it reverse thread. So it's a bit not intuitive, but it works. I made them in grey so they fit a bit better with the bike. That's nice, and there's almost no weight on them, so I'm pretty confident the plastic will work. And again, it's ASA, so that's not gonna break easily. So that's very nice. Let's get one of the mirrors. So this is what you get with the mirror, and depending on the inner size of your handlebar, you need the corresponding rings accordingly and the sleeve that pulls it all together. In my case, I think it's 14mm, so that's the smallest one, so we're going to use that one. Get that off. So what will happen, this will get into there and this will expand, and this should be almost the perfect size for your handlebar. So you have it on two places. It's gonna grab on the inside of your handlebar. So get your 5mm hex, just give it a few turns, not too much, then you can get it out, because otherwise this will come loose and it will fall into your handlebar. So just a few turns, it's loose, and then you have your weight. And I'm gonna go for a top side for now. Maybe I'm gonna change it up and go like that, but I don't know how nice that will be. So for now I'm going up top. I think we're going like this. Like I said, maybe the other side, I'm gonna try it later, but okay, what you want to do is get this as far as possible true to the size of the inner handlebar, because otherwise it will keep spinning and it won't grab anymore. So just tighten it so it's almost grabbing. Now it's grabbing, so this is done. Not what you want, but a little bit loose, like that. Get it in and adjust it to your liking. I think maybe something like that, but I'll change that up later. And let's tidy. Looking good. Next up, the other side. Like so. Now grabs, okay. Same height. And make sure it doesn't touch your throttle. So it moves freely. And that's it. Still have the plastic on it. So I'll leave that for now until I'm ready to use it. But it looks nice. Let's see how it is from the front. Looking good. Not bad. Next step. My gear indicator. I just need two 5mm bolts to screw it in from the back. Let's see how this will look on the bike. So that's what we're working with, but as you can see, that's it. So I want to place it right here. It looks a bit nicer. So let's get it fitted. First, it should be something like this. Well, that's not going anywhere. That's looking good. Nice. This one is a bit loose, but we can take care of that. Because this will be under the fairing, so you don't see it. Yeah, nice. A bit closer to the finishing product. I like it. Well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna take it a bit further in the next one. I think we're gonna do the license plate holder. We're gonna get rid of that one and mount it up there, till tidy. And after that we're gonna install my CarPlay unit with my own 3D printed mount that I made myself. And then it's gonna look, then it's almost done. Then I have to wait for the painter, for the tank and the body sheet cover. Then she's all done. Well, thanks for watching. Till next time.